I use the ADP salary paycheck calculator to check my hourly, weekly, or monthly salary. Here is how to use the ADP Paycheck calculator. Go to the ADP Paycheck portal, visit the portal, enter the following details to calculate. How often are you paid? So click on it and enter weekly or bi-weekly, monthly or semi-monthly. Then how often are you paid? Enter salary type, hourly, gross pay method, that is per year or per pay per period, and amount. Enter any overtime details, that's enter overtime or double time, hours and amount, as you can see on the screen. The hourly paycheck calculator and the weekly paycheck calculator are the same. Your estimate earning after you have entered the details will be showed here. Earnings, taxes, benefits, and your take-home salary will be displayed here. Let us enter some details and see how that is shown or displayed. Pay frequency, monthly. Select monthly. How are you paid? We select hourly. Hours, 5 hours. Amount, $100. So from there we go to any time that you have overtime. Yes, so overtime, hours, 2 hours, and total amount $200. So what's the date of the paycheck you are calculating? So pay date, so we enter the end of the month, and so that is it over there. That is 30th. That's the end of the month. So let's see the overview. The overview is here, summary. So your take home will be $922. So your earning is $1,100 at the end of the month. Hourly is 5 hours by $100, which is $500. Overtime is 1.5 by 2 hours, and you see $600 there. Taxes, federal income, it's there. Tax, Medicare tax, Social Security, it's also there. Benefit, and then your take-home salary is also there. So this is an estimate of your salary. It gives you a fair idea of how much you're taking at the end of the month. This is Seekers News GH. It's for all seekers. Whatever you seek, you'll find it here. Kindly subscribe to this our channel. What next do you want to know or how to use? We'll bring you more updates here.